Hi, my name is Eric and welcome to Performing Transforms on Columns video series. So in this video series, I'll just discuss about two transformations objects. One of them is copy column and the other one is derived column. If this is the first video, please watch my previous video. I discussed about union, merge, merge join, lookup, condition split, multicast, and data conversion components. So if you missed any of these, please go back and check them out. So what is copy column? Copy column is just an object that creates a new column by copying input column and adding the new column to the transformation. As it is, it's technically copying a new column. So it just creates a copy. And let's see how that works in action. I'll go ahead and copy one of my packages here. And I'll paste it. And I'm gonna go ahead and name as copy column. I'll go inside data flow. And if I scroll down all the way, I am going to create a copy. And if you cannot find it, you can just type copy. And if you read the description, it says copies input columns, two new columns in the transformations output. For example, create a copy of address column so that it can be cleaned by subsequent transformations, and leave the original column in place for auditing. Yeah, so sometimes you wanna update something, and a good example is an address. Really, you can leave the original as is, and you can work on that copy. So all you need to do is I'm gonna have to move this on my other screen. This screen here doesn't work for me that well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go ahead and combine. I'm gonna create the connection between derived column and copy column. And when I go in here, really I can double click on it to edit. And for example here, I want to maybe create a copy of, let's say, unit price. I can do that, and you'll see this will be copy of the unit price. Okay, and that's pretty much how you use copy. We can run this package or execute it so they can see, but I think you can do that for yourself. We have done that on the previous video, and if you don't know, please go back and watch my previous video where you can add a derived column, and a data viewer. You can enable a data viewer so that you can view. So thank you very much for watching this video. Follow me again on my next video, and probably you'll see how this copy works really in real time. So in this video, what I was doing is I was discussing about copy column transformation, and what it does is it creates a new column by copying the input column, and it adds a new column, and you can change that name depending on how you like it. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Peace.